Hello everybody, welcome back to Decor Tricks channel. Modern bathrooms are no longer just about function, they've become personal retreats that reflect style, comfort, and smart design. Whether you're planning a full renovation or simply updating a few elements, the right ideas can transform any bathroom into a calming, modern escape. Clean lines, natural materials, and thoughtful lighting are just the beginning. From luxurious finishes to practical features, these design concepts offer something for every taste. Get ready to explore a blend of sleek aesthetics, soothing textures, and clever upgrades that bring modern living to life. Simplicity is at the heart of modern bathroom design, and nothing captures that better than a minimalist layout. Think open spaces, uncluttered countertops, and smooth, uninterrupted surfaces. Floating vanities help create a light, airy feel while keeping storage tucked neatly out of sight. Frameless mirrors and wall-mounted fixtures keep things sleek and streamlined. It's all about creating a calm, balanced space where every element feels intentional and effortless. Even color plays a role. Neutral tones and soft contrasts enhance the feeling of openness. The goal is to do more with less, letting quality materials and smart design speak for themselves. Bringing nature indoors adds a sense of calm and warmth that modern bathrooms often aim for. Materials like wood, stone, and bamboo introduce texture and character, while keeping the space grounded and serene. A wooden vanity, pebble tile floor, or stone basin can instantly elevate the feel without overwhelming the design. Adding greenery, whether through small plants or vertical garden accents, also softens the overall look. These organic touches help create a spa-like atmosphere that invites relaxation and connects the space to the natural world. Even natural light plays a role. Large windows or skylights can amplify the earthy vibe. Combined thoughtfully, these elements turn a bathroom into a peaceful escape that feels both stylish and refreshingly natural. Frameless glass shower enclosures are a staple in modern bathroom design for a good reason. They make any space feel more open and luxurious. Without bulky frames or heavy borders, the clean lines of glass help create a seamless flow from one area to another. They allow natural and artificial light to travel freely, making even smaller bathrooms appear larger and brighter. The minimal design works beautifully with both neutral palettes and bold tile patterns, allowing other features in the room to shine. It's a perfect blend of function and aesthetics, offering a spa-like experience without the visual clutter. Lighting in a modern bathroom does more than just brighten the space, it sets the mood and defines the overall vibe. Statement lighting fixtures, like bold pendants, sculptural sconces, or backlit mirrors, can act as design centerpieces that add personality and flair. Layered lighting is key. Combining ambient, task, and accent lighting ensures both style and function. A well-placed fixture above the vanity or a soft glow behind a mirror can completely transform the space. With the right lighting, even the simplest bathroom can feel elegant, warm, and inviting. Materials and finishes also play a big role. Brass, matte black, or frosted glass can complement the overall design beautifully. Whether it's dramatic or subtle, great lighting is the final touch that ties everything together. Incorporating smart features into your bathroom not only adds convenience but also brings a touch of luxury to everyday routines. Touchless faucets, automatic lighting, and heated floors make the space more functional and comfortable. Smart mirrors with built-in LED lighting and fog-resistant technology offer a sleek, modern look while making your morning routine easier. For those who love a bit of high-tech luxury, a digital shower system can control water temperature and pressure with the touch of a button. These tech upgrades seamlessly blend with contemporary design, offering a personalized, spa-like experience at home. Matte black and brushed metal finishes have become a go-to choice for modern bathrooms, adding a sleek, sophisticated edge to any design. These finishes work beautifully when paired with lighter tones or bold contrasts, creating a striking visual appeal. Matte black fixtures, such as faucets, shower heads, and towel bars, bring a touch of drama, while brushed metals like nickel or stainless steel offer a refined, understated elegance. These finishes are not only stylish but practical too, as they tend to show fewer fingerprints and smudges, maintaining a polished look with minimal upkeep. Together, they elevate the overall aesthetic, adding a contemporary, luxe feel to your bathroom. Modern bathrooms are all about blending style, comfort, and functionality. Whether you're drawn to minimalist designs, organic materials, or high-tech upgrades, these ideas can help you create a space that's both beautiful and practical. By incorporating thoughtful details like statement lighting, smart features, and sleek finishes, you can transform your bathroom into a personal sanctuary. If you enjoyed these design ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and inspiration from Decor Tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!